Now then, YouTube, what a miserable day. I'd like to start out with a shout out to a bloke who's also new to presenting on here. He sounds like a real top geezer, and it's Poltross Piper Warren. Great stuff. You've already learnt me one thing, and that's shrink wrap on your stems. What a good idea. I've often wanted to protect my stems because smoking while at work, etc., you do tend to bite down a little too hard. Now, I tried softy bits like this, but especially on pea lips, they can become very bulky. If you imagine a softy bit on that. So, shrink wrap, I'm guessing, is the ideal thing to solve that. So I'm going to give that a try. So thank you very much for that, Warren. I also wanted to talk about this. It's a 999 Bulldog. Lovely grain. This is a pipe that I recently restored. Here's some photos of it before I restored it. There's a closer look at it. Sterling silver band. As you can see, the stems come out lovely considering how it was. I managed to get all the teeth marks out. The silver polished up nice with a little bit of silvo. Great hallmarks. The briar polished up lovely. The only downside to this pipe is it's slightly burnt out on the rim, but I'm going to keep that. I think it adds character to the pipe. It shows it's been well smoked and enjoyed. This is actually one of 5 pipes that my friend gave me. They belong to his great uncle, John Watson, and I've got the honour of restoring them on his behalf and keeping them and treasuring them. I plan on restoring all 5 pipes. They're here. Putting them on a pipe stand. I'll probably make a custom pipe stand, just for them 5 pipes, and I'd like to call it the Watts collection. And here they are. This is a little bent apple. As you can see, the same as the Bulldog. Quite a large cake build-up. Looking at the wear on the stem, this will probably his workhorse. So there's that to do. Then there's this, a system pipe. I already have one a similar shape that's rusticated that I did up quite some time ago. I believe it's a 313, this one. So yeah, this is a system pipe, sterling silver band. I'm hoping to do a video restoring these pipes, or a series of videos, and when we get into them and clean them up and we can read exactly what it says, I can just make it out I don't suppose you can see it on camera, but it says it's a 313 and a system pipe. When we see more about that, hopefully you guys will be able to help me date the pipe, or all of the pipes. Again, another system pipe, sterling silver band. It's got a few dints on the silver band. I'm wondering if I can sweat that band off and get them dints out. Just a little bit. It'd be nice to keep them. Again, it belongs to the heritage of the pipe. I don't believe this one's been smoked quite as much, but I think that'll look really nice when it's done. And then finally, this pipe. I can't quite make out what it says. I think it says Peterson standard system, and on this side it says 314 made in the Republic of Ireland. Again, when we get some of this grime off of these pipes, we'll be able to see what's wrote on them in better detail, and hopefully you'll be able to help me date them. But yes, so I'm going to enjoy restoring them, the Watts collection as they're going to be known. I've already had a lot of fun restoring this. It's become a great smoker. So if you're watching, James, thank you for these pipes. I hope to do them justice, and yeah, thanks for watching. Keep it lit.